Long before recorded history, the Maya civilization prospered in the rainforests of present-day Belize. Centuries of tradition and mythology are layered through the land. The Mayans believed the stars, the stones, the forest, and all of nature was alive with spirit and power. The ancient Mayans built temples and cities, developed sophisticated societies, and worshipped their gods with rituals conducted deep underground in the spirit world they called Chilbalba. Today, the Mayas continue to live close to the land with a proud and vibrant culture. You'll travel back in time when you experience present-day village life, share a meal, listen to stories, and learn of the traditions and way of life of the Maya people.